Hi guys, we have two new military trucks here for you today. We're gonna do unboxing. These are 1/16 scale trucks, two types. You can see on the box here. This one like this, and the other one is like this. Both are military green. Comes with a transmitter 2.4 gigahertz, 4 channels. So I'm gonna open the boxes and see what's inside. We're gonna start with this one. Här kan du öppna det. Ligger ned. Kan du ta den ut. Here is the transmitter, pistol grip, and this is a charger, USB charger. You can also charge the batteries with a normal charger. Here you have the truck. There are some leaf springs. Came out. Let's see if they... I think there might be some extras for this one. It's a good looking truck with leaf springs, and you can see it can flex. It has a little flex on the sides. Good looking military truck. Take out these mirrors. This has LED lights at the front and at the rear. I'm gonna turn it on later and see. So here is what was in the first box. Some instructions. And the truck with transmitter. You can see the size of the truck here compared to my hand. So it's a good size. And now we're gonna unbox the other one. This one. Here we go. Looks very good, this one too, with the same transmitter. And this comes in a bag with the leaf springs and the charger, and it also have mirrors in the bag. This one had the mirrors attached. So here it is, the truck. It also has the LED lights in the front and in the rear, and the tires seems pretty good. Oh, I'm gonna show you under the truck also. The motor and transmission in here, with the axles, and I think it has a lock diff, yes. And have the steering servo inside here. So I'm gonna put these two together now and see how that looks. Okay guys, that was the unboxing of these new trucks. So we're gonna charge up some batteries and try this later. See how they will perform. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.